Got new phones from T-Mobile. It's home internet. Give us free Pixel buds with the phone.
Is Alexa?
No, this is a signal booster for the home Wi-Fi, so it works good downstairs and upstairs. It's your iphone16. What?
It's getting fancier and then like ma.
No, it's good. It's my favorite.
Okay.
Google. Pixel. What? That's how they shut the box. I guess you know if it's tampered with.
It's pretty. Oh, that's pretty. Hang on. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. It's lightweight, baby.
Yeah. It's actually the cheaper version of the two, but it's lighter, which I like.
I'm not supposed to open it.
I got a case too.
Oh, you have a case. Finally, you have a case.
It's free. With the phone. Just simple. That's what I wanted.
Finally, Daddy, you have a case.
I think they shipped it with the SIM card. A lot of people keep their phone backs like a memory, but that's...
Daddy, this is my first iPhone. This is remarkable.
Oh my god, your sister could watch it.
Jimmy. This is her iPhone, baby, when it gets old.
Well, tell her this is your new iPhone. One of them recorded my plan.
Hey sister, this is your iPhone, but your sister will gonna use it first. Oh baby, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Thank you, Daddy. Baby, it's lightweight too.
Yeah, I see. Oh yeah.
I feel like they're the same weight. Okay. Is there a tempered glass in here?
No.
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 Okay. What about my SIM card, my love?
Should be in the phone already, I think.
Oh, okay.